So we are back. We are officially at the top of the edge. So check that out. Now we're gonna look around up here, kind of sit up here and chill. I'll stop for a little bit. You guys could check things out. But yeah, all right. So let's see. Now, apparently I can't have the selfie stick all the way up in the air like I would like to. It would be a really sick shot, but I won't piss these people off, so I'm not gonna do it. All right, let's head this way to see what they got going on over here. I gotta tell you, like most attractions in New York, they're very small. Like as far as like how big it is, like feet in length and stuff like that. But yeah, here we go. We are here. I really wish I could send this all the way up and get an aerial shot, but unfortunately, selfie stick has to be closed. So over here, we got the Upper West Side. That's where I live. If you look over that way, you have GW. You also have New Jersey. Further out that way, Bronx, Mount Vernon, Co-op City, all that stuff that way. And here we got, over here is Midtown. All the way up to, I would say like 32nd, then it becomes, what is that, Flatiron, Chelsea, Village, West Village. Man, I wish I could send the stick all the way up, get a killer shot, but. Right. So if we look down, that's the post office where they got the New Jersey Transit joint going on. They opened it up. We got MSG right there. Empire State Building straight ahead. So the floors apparently sit down. You got, the most important people in the world laying on the floor. If you look all the way down. So yeah, MSG coming up. Got 34th Street going on right here where the New Yorker Hotel is. So if you look up there, there's a whole thing there up top. You can hang off the building. It's called the Climb. You wouldn't catch my fat ass doing that, but it's okay. Let's take a look over here. All right, so that's pretty much it about what's going on up here. When it came first thing in the morning, would have probably been way less people. Probably got a better shot. Let me go up here, get a nice shot from up here.
LA's not the best. Over there, we have a lot of options. Amen. So you have to like have a reason.
Oh, Friday, I bike with that. How about trail? Oh, yeah. My little brother.
All right, guys, that's gonna about wrap it up for me. It's your boy, Mr.Manhattan, saying thanks for watching. Been away for a minute because I've been busy, doing a lot of work and outside things, but I have more videos coming up, so stay tuned. Peace.